Welcome back, guys. Out here on the 100-yard range, we've got the CZ457. We've got a target down there at 50 yards. We're going to put a variety of ammo through this gun. Some of the higher end 22. We're going to create kind of a leaderboard situation to see what this gun likes. We're going to go back to back to back on the ammo. We're going to do 5 rounds between each of the ammo styles to season the barrel, and then we're going to do 5 5-shot groups on the target, and we'll keep track and see which of those ammos is the top dog out of this gun on this range. This is the setup. We've got the Caldwell front rest, Caldwell rear rest. We've got the CZ457 Varmint Precision Trainer MTR. It's all factory barrel. It has a Yo Dave trigger kit to get the trigger down to about a pound. And again, like I said, a Vortex Strike Eagle 5 to 25 by 56. We're going to be shooting at 50 yards, 5 5-shot groups using a variety of ammo. First up, CCI Standard. Going to do 5 rounds off target to season the barrel. All right, first 5 of the CCI Standard. CCI Standard Velocity.